Everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today we can talk about an exchange I never spoke about before, TOOBIT. It's an up-and-coming exchange, really taking it to the next level. I really do like this exchange. I spoke about many other exchanges before. Here in the UK, especially with the FCA regulations, we're having the trouble joining some certain exchanges. Now, I've done a video about other exchanges before. Now, they allow you UK residents to join, but you cannot buy crypto with fiat because Alchemy Pay, would you now believe, is banned in the UK. Well, they don't accept UK users. So on TOOBIT, I found this a wonderful exchange basically for the altcoins, the low cap gems I'm always looking for, and also the fact I can buy with fiat because they have Simplex, which I've used for many, many years. So that's a huge plus for me. And I do like these exchanges which are listing the gems to save me basically buying on MetaMask, for example, and I have to use horrendous Ethereum gas fees. So these exchanges really are the future for me. So you can see on the screen a bit more than crypto. Safe, fast, stable, reliable. I've been looking into this exchange for quite a while now, and also I've been reading the reviews, and it's very rare to have an exchange with such wonderful reviews from people who use it. Got over 2 million users. For an exchange which basically around coming up for 3 years, it's actually incredible the progression they're making. Now, we're going to go through it and do what we're doing. Now, I do have a referral link below, which stay there, don't I? Does support the channel. I do appreciate everyone uses my link. You also will get a bonus, which we'll go through in a minute. You can actually see it on there, but I'm going to actually go to the rewards section. I think that'd be better. Now, as you go through the site, you can see all the bits about it, all the dashboard, all the top here. It's all great. Buy crypto with, as I say, Simplex. You've got your markets, you've got your trade, your spot, your API trading, derivatives, which is absolutely fantastic. And again, it's great to see demo trading. So if you're new to crypto, new to trading, it gives you those chance to get your own strategies. Okay, and that's fantastic. It really does. So, however, if you want to also, you can be a copy trader. You can copy the experts out there. So again, I'm going to show you as we go through it. Now, I also like the fact they've got over 600 pairs of trading. I say, listing the wonderful low cap gems and obviously all the traditional, the blue chip coins you'd imagine. So again, that is absolutely fantastic. Now, when you go on the About Us, a bit more than crypto, as they say 600 plus trading pairs, 15 billion daily trading volume, 2 million active traders. Now, it's absolutely fantastic. Okay. Now, again, when I look into an exchange, I want to see absolute focus on security, and that's what they offer. Silent Guardians. We integrate cutting-edge wallet solutions and compliance measures to protect your assets. Disrupt the ordinary. Innovation lies here. We progressively developed advanced tools and trading products to give our traders a competitive edge. Now, again, that's what talk about exchanges. I've been around crypto literally nearly, 9 years. It will be late this year. 9 years would be absolutely incredible. Now, when you first went to exchange, I went to likes of Bittrex, were very basic, and hence why now Bittrex has closed. It's quite sad when it did. However, it never moved with the times. Okay, when you look at this dashboard, it's absolutely fantastic. Now, I never understood why Bittrex never moved, but obviously there's a lot of competition now, and to me, I want to find a solid exchange. They take security extremely seriously, and that's obviously imperative, and it lists the low cap gems, the ones that I want. Okay, and I find that really important. And it goes through everything about it, why choose TOOBIT. Obviously, it talks about all the trading pair split and merge orders, futures DCA, take advantage of dollar cost averaging. Position management, it's up to you entirely. It's obviously risk, but you can get higher rewards. It's 175x leverage, zero slippage copy trading. Okay, it goes in more depth about their partners as well. I'm great to see they partner with the likes of CoinMarkup, CoinGecko, Hacken, which is always great to see. TradingView as well as Cointelegraph. So it's absolutely fantastic. Now, another part, you have two parts. I follow them on X, but also I like their announcement bit because, as I say, they do that constantly putting in new low cap altcoins onto their trading site, which is absolutely fantastic. You can see the announcements here, new listings, Hoppy, multiple tokens, futures trading, but this one was really good for me. CGPT, I've mentioned that briefly recently, and it's on here now, and also AIXBT, which I really do like that project. You can see there, see all 534 articles. You can see the amount of projects they are listing. Now, again, follow them on X. This is imperative because, again, only do they put on here the new listings, also the biggest gainers of this week. So you can see on here the 14th of Jan, TOOBIT weekly standouts. You can see there, again, low cap gems making huge progression. Okay, and that's really great to see. Weekly top gains. I love this little page here. It talks about ATCP there. Look, 47%. So again, wonderful opportunity. Follow them on X and you keep up to date with what they're listing. So, as I say, it's a wonderful up-and-coming exchange built for longevity. And again, that's what I'm really looking into. I look into many exchanges, and some of them I'm not that keen on, but this one really stuck out for me. That's what I like about it. So, talk about the Rewards Hub. Users task, sign up, use my link. You do get this. 5 Tether, create an account. 2 Tether for your first deposit, 10 USDT for your first copy trading. Now, if you want to be big on that, 2,000 USDT daily trading, 100 USDT. But literally, just by joining, you can get this easy USDT. Now, by doing that, especially as we have a nice little pump last couple of days, I think we're literally on the verge of this wonderful bull run we've been so patient for. Just get even this USDT. So some people might sound a lot. However, you could easily 5x that for just signing up and joining TOOBIT. So again, wonderful opportunity it truly is. Now, as I say, when you go through this dashboard, it's got everything I want. Now, also I like here, what is the copy trading? That's really, I'll probably do an update video about the trading side and derivatives over time and also the trade there, the market. But I like the more bit. Okay, now you've got these wonderful little sections. Obviously, just looked at the rewards hub, the event center, invite, earn. Obviously, get your friends, please sign up again. And I've mentioned that again. But they've got the academy, brush up on your crypto knowledge. It's a learning place as well. The help center, the announcements, which I showed you earlier. Talked about the community and about TOOBIT, which we've looked into. So again, when it comes to the trading side of it, as I say, if you haven't done much trading before, strongly suggest A, you do the demo trading, and B, if you want to get to it, do some copy trading. As you can see the expert traders there. Look at this guy here. He's doing absolutely smashing it, isn't he? He truly is. Okay, and obviously he's got a lot of people following, hence why it's stating full there. Okay, and you can see he's making absolutely fantastic. Look at his other people as well. Look, huge profits. These are high, very high quality traders. So if you want to basically start the demo trade and then look at these copy traders, you're making a great start and learn some strategies yourself. So to me, I've never seen so many fantastic traders on all the other sites I've been on. So again, the TOOBIT really does seem to have the high quality. And again, that's something that stuck out for me. It's something I really do believe. I know I've shown sort of copy trading on other sites, but me personally, I want to get more involved with this one. Again, I will have to do a video soon, but it's too much to cover in one video if I go in depth in this. But you can see the options. Okay. Now, also, as I said before, like this bit, again, people new to crypto, it gives them a learning curve to understand stuff. What is cryptocurrency? Real basics, TOOBIT trading workshop. How good is that? Again, you learn in strategies, you learn about trading. So again, what TOOBIT offer is absolutely fantastic. And I love just all the articles on here. And again, you can see the recent ones. Where will crypto be after Trump's inauguration? Now, we've got that, haven't we? Literally coming up next couple of days. Who knows what the market is? I think it'll be very volatile, especially if it's true. There's a lot of rumors out there on X, what he's going to do on his first day in office and his plans for crypto. It could be absolutely massive. And obviously certain leaders of XRP and even the great Charles Hoskin has been talking to Trump. So it's going to be amazing. I think literally Monday, Tuesday could be absolutely crazy market. I really do. Especially if you announce it, people naturally are going to get even more into crypto. Even now, we're not on the full bull run. We've got over £3 trillion tied up in crypto. Who knows what will happen when Trump gets in. Now, also, when you go on CoinMarketCap, you talk about TOOBIT, you talk about the spot trading volume. You can see on there absolutely huge amount. That is incredible. Okay, for any sort of a tube, you see there's a billion there, literally in the trading volume the last 24 hours. The total assets is absolutely huge. Okay, now, again, something extremely important to me for any exchange is reserves. Obviously, we all know what happened to HTX. Now, the people behind this, as I say, it's coming up to its 3-year anniversary this year. The people behind it, some of the leaders are ex-Bybit, again, high quality exchanges, and they've obviously decided to go out and do it on their own. Now, this is, so it's been around 3 years now, so it's making huge strides. Look at the reserves and the token allocation. USDC, you can see how much they've got. The balance, 20 million. Look, BTC, 157. They've got massive assets in the reserves, and that is extremely important. And also the Bitcoin is in multiple accounts. And you scroll down, you see the Terra reserves in Ethereum. Okay, so again, that's really reassuring. Now, it literally covers every part of social media you can imagine. They seem to be literally on everything. Now, something I really do agree with is when an exchange, again, helps people. Now, how to spot trade, introduction to signal cloning, a bit more than crypto, more in depth about what TOOBIT is, USDT perpetual trading, introductions to copy trading, so you've got it there as well. And welcome to TOOBIT. Mike Williams on TOOBIT, interview with a pro trader. Okay, it's got everything you need. So if you literally, again, just getting started, you've got all these wonderful videos on their YouTube to, again, help you and guide you along your way. So again, I really do like that. So just to give you an overview of TOOBIT, I think it's a really exciting up-and-coming exchange. It's listing the low-cap gems. Extremely important. You can deposit fiat. Obviously, you can deposit cryptos wherever you want to do that. It's a very easy sign-up process. It's non-KYC. You do have to do a little basic verification when you want to start withdrawing, but it's very basic. It literally is. I didn't even have to upload for example, my driving license, just put your number in there. So it's very, very light. And the fact it allows UK residents is obviously extremely appealing to me and many people I know who are getting really frustrated about the amount of exchanges blocking UK citizens. You've got Trump on one hand in America, completely pro-crypto and blockchain and seeing the future. Then unfortunately we've got the UK government, which is miles behind now, who doesn't want to embrace crypto and just wants to hinder us here in the UK. So it's quite sad actually when you look at it long term. However, thankfully, we've got exchanges like TOOBIT. So thanks very much. Anyone help as usual, just email me info@cryptostrang.com. If you're literally just getting started with crypto, don't hesitate to reach out. Come and join us on a Telegram group, a Facebook group. Just follow me now and help any way I can. Just email me and say if you want any help, or we can even do a FaceTime over what they call it on Instagram. Okay, so I'm really keen to help people because I appreciate how difficult it is when you just get started. So thanks very much. I'll do some more videos about TOOBIT. I really do like this exchange. So thanks very much. We will chat soon. Cheers now. Bye.